Hey, I'm Megan with WTI. If you're tired of the traditional silicone watch bands for your Apple Watch, then you may want to try this gorgeous upgrade by MOFREE. This is a beaded bracelet watch. I got mine in the 38 millimeter, and I just love this. It has an elastic stretch strap, so it's just so easy to pop on and off your wrist, and it looks beautiful and elegant. So you can wear these out on a date night. You can wear this to the office if you want something a little fancier. Now, I got mine in a rose gold because I am just a fan of rose gold, and I just love the glitter that this brings. And I mix and match this bracelet with different face plates to go with my outfits. So I do find that the color of the beads are neutral enough that you're able to do that. And it does go as a result with a lot of different outfits. So if you want to dress up your Apple Watch, then I definitely recommend this beautiful brand by MOFREE. And that's my point of view.